Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and see archived posts on Instagram. Let's launch the Instagram app. I want you to click on the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. Then I want you to click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. When you're at the menu, I want you to pick the section that is called Your Activity. Then I want you to scroll down to the section Removed and Archived Content. I want you to click on the second option, Archived. Here you will find every post that you previously archived. This section will simply show you all the reels, all the pictures, all the videos, all the IGTV previous posts, all the highlights that you archived. So essentially any piece of content that you upload in any shape, form or size and then archived will simply be here. You will be able to unarchive these posts from here when you're clicking on them and you simply press unarchived. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.